1. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price, $40,000, located, Clinton, Maryland. This 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a professionally built pro street machine that combines aggressive styling with proven drag racing modifications while remaining an impressive show quality classic. The vehicle has approximately 3,237 miles, a 5-speed manual transmission, a clean title, and is finished in a striking blue exterior paired with a black interior. According to the seller, the Camaro is powered by a modified 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine that has received performance upgrades to improve overall power and reliability. The chassis features a professionally installed 10-point roll cage that enhances structural rigidity and provides additional safety for high-performance driving. The rear section has been fully tubbed to accommodate massive 18-inch wide rear tires, giving the car the unmistakable pro street stance that enthusiasts appreciate. The seller also highlights the excellent paint finish and exceptionally clean interior, reflecting careful ownership and attention to detail throughout the build. This Camaro offers a combination of street presence, classic third-generation styling, and race-inspired engineering that makes it equally suitable for local car shows, weekend cruising, or occasional performance events. It represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking a unique pro street Camaro with documented modifications, attractive presentation, and a clean title ready for its next enthusiast owner. 2. 1962 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Price, $54,000, located, Galesburg, Michigan. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 is a beautifully built pro street classic that combines vintage Chevrolet styling with modern LS performance and carefully selected high-quality components. The vehicle has approximately 3,800 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in red with a gray interior. According to the seller, the all-steel body originated from the southern United States and provides an excellent rust-free foundation. Power comes from an LS3-based 416 cubic inch engine producing approximately 600 horsepower on E85 fuel while also capable of operating on premium pump gasoline. The drivetrain includes a freshly rebuilt ArtCar 200R4 automatic transmission connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle with an aluminum 3.70 center section, 31-spline Posey differential, and a professionally installed 4-link suspension. Additional equipment includes Willwood 4-wheel power disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, Holley Sniper X-Flow fuel injection, automotive fuel system, stainless steel headers, 3-inch exhaust, Dakota digital instrumentation, TCI shifter, and brand new Nito drag radial tires. Extra factory parts are included, making this Nova an outstanding combination of classic appearance, dependable performance, and modern drivability. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $70,000, located, Cedar Springs, Michigan. This 1967 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a professionally constructed high-performance machine built with premium racing components throughout while maintaining the timeless appearance of Chevrolet's iconic compact muscle car. According to the seller, the vehicle is powered by a strong 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a ProCharger supercharger that delivers exceptional horsepower and impressive acceleration. The chassis has been professionally back-halved to accommodate the high-performance drivetrain and improve rear suspension geometry for maximum traction. Additional structural upgrades include a Chris Alston front clip, providing enhanced strength and suspension performance. Power is transferred through an automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for consistent launches, while a gear vendor's overdrive system adds improved cruising capability when desired. The rear axle features a durable 12-bolt housing fitted with strange engineering axles designed to handle substantial power output. Stopping performance comes from Willwood braking components that provide dependable braking under demanding conditions. The seller describes the Nova as an exceptionally clean and professionally built vehicle assembled using only premium quality parts, making it equally suited for competitive racing, major car shows, weekend cruising, or expanding a serious collection of pro street classics. 4. 1975 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $17,000, located, Pikeville, Kentucky. This 1975 Chevrolet Vega is a professionally prepared drag racing roller that offers an outstanding foundation for racers seeking a lightweight and highly competitive race car. The vehicle is being sold without an engine or transmission, allowing the next owner complete flexibility when selecting a preferred drivetrain combination. According to the seller, the Vega is built on a strong 2 by 3-inch tube chassis and is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission. Weighing approximately 2,603 pounds with a driver, the lightweight construction provides an excellent platform for consistent quarter-mile performance. The chassis includes a Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with a strange center section and aggressive 4.56 gears, along with a 4-link suspension, anti-roll bar, wishbone locator, and double adjustable rear shocks. Additional equipment includes strange front struts, strange disc brakes, MSD7AL2 ignition system, electric Hurst quarter stick shifter, fire suppression system, fiberglass hood, fiberglass front end, fiberglass rear hatch, fiberglass rear bumper, and lightweight racing wheels wrapped with Hoosier tires. Previously capable of running consistent 5.20 second 1/8 mile passes with a 582 big block Chevrolet, this Vega remains an exceptional race-ready roller. 5. 1969 AMC AMX race car. Price, $50,000, located, Lesage, West Virginia. This 1969 AMC AMX race car is a rare American muscle machine that has been purpose-built for drag racing while preserving the distinctive appearance of one of AMC's most collectible performance models. The vehicle has approximately 1,230 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in bright orange with a black interior. According to the seller, the car has been extensively developed for racing and includes a substantial amount of documentation detailing the build and maintenance history. The current engine combination has never been pushed aggressively down the drag strip, offering the next owner an excellent opportunity to fully explore its performance potential. The seller notes that the vehicle has received numerous upgrades, with far more components than can reasonably be listed in the advertisement. Its carefully prepared chassis and proven race-oriented design make it suitable for competitive drag racing while remaining an outstanding conversation piece at classic car events. The rare AMC AMX platform continues to attract collectors seeking something different from more common Chevrolet and Ford offerings. This race-prepared example represents an uncommon opportunity to own a unique American performance car with documented history and impressive future potential. 6. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Tube Chassis Race Car. Price, $38,500, located, Uniontown, Ohio. This 1967 Ford Mustang GT Tube Chassis race car is a professionally engineered competition vehicle built for serious drag racing with premium components throughout. According to the seller, power comes from a massive 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with Jezel rocker arms, Sonny Leonard Dart cylinder heads, and a Moroso dry sump oiling system. The engine has recently been refreshed with fewer than 30 passes since receiving new bearings, piston rings, aluminum connecting rods, camshaft, and lifters. The drivetrain includes a G-Force clutchless 5-speed transmission that provides rapid gear changes and proven racing durability. Built around a chrome moly tube chassis certified to 6.0 Sportsman specifications, the Mustang also features Koni coilover suspension for outstanding chassis control. The body retains its steel construction while incorporating lightweight fiberglass doors and front fenders to reduce overall weight. According to the seller, the car has recorded an impressive best elapsed time of 8.40 seconds and rides on slick tires with fewer than 10 passes. Weighing approximately 2,650 pounds with the driver, this Mustang is offered as a complete race-ready package rather than a roller, making it ready for immediate competition. 7. 1970 Plymouth Satellite Roadrunner Clone. Price, $17,500, located, Lockport, Kentucky. This 1970 Plymouth Satellite Roadrunner Clone is a classic Mopar muscle car that combines vintage styling with a powerful big block drivetrain and an engaging 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle has approximately 12,345 miles and is finished in gray with a green interior, giving it a distinctive appearance that stands out among traditional muscle cars. According to the seller, the car is powered by a strong 440 cubic inch V8 engine paired with the desirable pistol grip 4-speed manual transmission, providing an authentic driving experience that enthusiasts continue to appreciate. The drivetrain also includes a durable 8 3/4 inch rear axle that complements the vehicle's impressive performance potential. The seller states the Plymouth runs, drives, and stops properly, making it an enjoyable project that can be driven while future improvements are completed. Cosmetic work includes trunk repairs and previously patched floor sections, while the interior would benefit from replacement door panels. The clutch may eventually require attention, although the car remains fully drivable. Equipped with dual exhaust and classic Roadrunner-inspired styling, this satellite offers an affordable opportunity to own a big block Mopar with excellent restoration and customization potential. 8. 1977 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $21,000, located, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1977 Chevrolet Vega is a professionally built NHRA Superstreet 10.90 index race car designed for dependable bracket competition and consistent performance. The vehicle has approximately 50,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in blue with a black interior. According to the seller, the car is powered by a reliable 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine that operates on premium pump gasoline, eliminating the need for expensive racing fuel while maintaining competitive performance. The drivetrain features an ATD Powerglide transmission and matching converter connected to a strange Ford 9-inch rear axle with aggressive 4.56 gears and a professionally engineered 4-link suspension. Additional competition equipment includes aerospace 4-wheel disc brakes, a one-stop throttle stop, CC3 to Denver delay box, new 5-point safety harness, and recently installed racing slicks with only a few passes of use. The steel body retains its factory construction except for a lightweight fiberglass hood. The seller describes the Vega as a proven, consistent, and highly enjoyable race car capable of impressive wheel-standing launches. It represents an outstanding turnkey package for racers seeking reliability, competitive performance, and classic Chevrolet styling. 9. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $37,500, located, Crown Point, Indiana. This 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a professionally built pro street machine that successfully blends show-quality presentation with serious race-inspired engineering. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in an attractive green exterior that highlights its aggressive third-generation Camaro styling. According to the seller, the car has been constructed as both a show car and a streetable performance vehicle, allowing it to perform well at automotive exhibitions while remaining enjoyable for regular driving. Power comes from a big block Chevrolet engine paired with a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle, creating a proven combination capable of handling substantial horsepower. The seller notes that the Camaro has been built using premium quality components throughout the vehicle, although the complete list of modifications is too extensive to include in the advertisement. The Pro Street stance, carefully finished bodywork, and professionally assembled drivetrain create an impressive overall package that attracts attention wherever it appears. Whether displayed at local car shows, driven on weekend cruises, or enjoyed as part of a private collection, this Camaro represents an excellent opportunity to own a customized classic Chevrolet with exceptional visual appeal and proven performance heritage. 10. 1965 Pontiac GTO 2-door. Price, $30,000, located, Sturgis, Michigan. This 1965 Pontiac GTO 2-door is a professionally built drag racing machine that combines legendary Pontiac muscle car heritage with proven quarter-mile performance. The vehicle has approximately 50,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in black. According to the seller, the car is powered by a Butler Performance-built 467 cubic inch Pontiac engine that produced an impressive 718 horsepower during dyno testing. The engine features a 14.0:1 compression ratio, BOP belt drive camshaft system with distributor conversion, Jim Butler tunnel ram intake manifold, dual Holley Performance 750 CFM carburetors, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, Doug's headers, and an MSD7AL2 ignition with an integrated 2-step rev limiter. Power is delivered through a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a manual valve body and trans brake. The chassis includes a full roll cage, tubbed rear section, narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.11 gears, spool, ladder bar suspension, tubular A arms, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, electric water pump, dual Optima batteries, fuel cell, Berry Grant electric fuel pump, fiberglass hood, and fiberglass bumpers. The seller states the car reached a best quarter-mile time of 10.20 seconds at 127 miles per hour and previously competed successfully in major drag racing events. 11. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Sedan. Price, $48,500, located, Mentor, Ohio. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan is a professionally prepared NHRA race car built to compete at the highest levels while preserving the unmistakable appearance of one of America's most iconic Tri-5 Chevrolets. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, and automatic transmission, and is finished in white. According to the seller, the car is powered by a massive 583 cubic inch rear Morrison racing engine producing approximately 1,115 horsepower. The drivetrain includes a TNK Top Sportsman transmission paired with a 501 performance torque converter for dependable competition performance. Built around a round tube racing chassis, the Bel Air features strange engineering front struts, strange adjustable shocks, and strange four-wheel disc brakes to provide exceptional control under demanding racing conditions. The seller notes that the chassis carries a valid 8.50 NHRA certification and is legal for multiple NHRA superclasses. Performance records include an impressive best elapsed time of 8.46 seconds at 162 miles per hour while also consistently running the Superstreet 10.90 class at approximately 155 miles per hour. This Chevrolet represents an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally engineered turnkey race car with documented competitive success and exceptional build quality. 12. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ProStreet Supercharged. Price, $50,000, located, Port Huron, Michigan. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ProStreet Supercharged is an exceptional street-driven muscle car that combines professional race-quality construction with remarkable everyday usability. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in black with a matching black interior. According to the seller, the car is powered by a professionally built 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a WEON 671 supercharger, dual quick fuel carburetors, GM large port performance cylinder heads, Harlan sharp roller rockers, crane blower camshaft, forged Keith black blower pistons, steel crankshaft, steel connecting rods, hooker long tube headers, and MSD blower ignition controls. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 3500 stall converter, Hurst lightning rod shifter, and line lock. A narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle with Detroit locker differential, Mark Williams axles, and 4-link suspension provides dependable traction. Additional features include a steel body, fiberglass tilt front end, factory dashboard, 18-gallon fuel cell, dual Holley fuel pumps, dual batteries, and braided stainless fuel lines throughout. The seller states the Camaro runs on pump gasoline, is driven regularly in good weather, and continues to attract attention everywhere it goes.